Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Outlook. This is a great feature if you prefer working in a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially during long work sessions or late night email checks. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to adjust. Make sure everything loads completely before moving to the next step, as we'll need to access the main menu options. Now that your emails are loaded and you're in the main Outlook interface, look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several menu options there, and what we're looking for is the File menu. Click on File to open up a drop-down menu that contains various account and application settings. This is your gateway to customizing how Outlook looks and behaves. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll find several options related to your account and Outlook's general settings. Look for the section labeled Account Options and click on it. This is where Outlook houses most of its appearance and interface customization features. From here, the process of turning on dark mode becomes quite straightforward. You'll notice an option called Office Theme with a drop-down menu next to it. This drop-down controls the overall color scheme of your Outlook interface. Click on the Office Theme drop-down to reveal the available theme options. You'll see several choices here, but the one we want is black. Go ahead and select black from the list. The moment you select black, your Outlook will immediately transform into dark mode. The entire interface will shift to a darker color scheme with light text on dark backgrounds throughout the application. This change happens instantly without needing to restart Outlook or save any settings. The dark theme will now be applied across all your emails, folders, and menus, giving you that sleek, modern look that's much easier on your eyes. And there you have it. Your Outlook is now running in dark mode, ready to make your email experience more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.